your job isn't paying good enough. Plus, the job market is also not in great condition. And saving alone won't make you rich. That's where the idea of investing in the stock market enters the picture. And so, people jump into the stock market hoping to hit the jackpot. But guys, 21 दिन में पैसा double is as fictional as this chocolate factory or these moving stairs from Harry Potter. Too good to be true. That's why most people end up losing money in the stock market. They ignore the obvious red flags that could have saved them. Yes, you can spot the risky companies before they hit you. Well, that's what we will help you with in this episode of Investing 101, where I will break down the biggest red flags that can save you from terrible investments. See, the first weakest sign is declining financials. Suppose you have a friend who spends more than he earns every month. He keeps borrowing money from various people, but instead of repaying, he just borrows more. Sooner or later, he's going to crash financially, right? Well, the same thing happens with companies. So before putting your hard-earned money into a stock, check these 3 things. First, look at their revenue. Revenue is a company's salary. If a company keeps making less money every quarter, that's a huge red flag. Then, check if they are constantly making losses. Now, not all loss-making companies are bad. Some startups take years before they finally become profitable. But if there is no solid comeback plan, no real strategy to turn things around, it's a big problem. And finally, the debt. See, a little debt is fine, but too much, that's like maxing out all your credit cards with no way to pay back. Take Jet Airways for example. Once it was one of India's biggest airlines, flying high with massive expansion plans, but here is where they messed up. They took huge loans, hoping to make crazy profits later. Total collapse. The airline shut down and investors were left holding worthless stocks.
Story of the day, that is Jet Airways has temporarily suspended its operations.
Okay. Now that was about checking the company's financials. Next important thing you should check out is corporate governance issues. A company might look super profitable on paper, but if the people running it are shady, that's a disaster waiting to happen. If a company's CEO or CFO resigns frequently, that's a huge red flag. Another major warning sign is regulatory investigation. See, if SEBI or any other authority is investigating the company, there's a reason for it. A perfect example of this is Yes Man crisis. The management misused funds, gave out reckless loans, and when things fell apart, the stock price crashed, leaving investors with massive losses. The third red flag, which you should definitely check out for, is aggressive expansion without profits. See, some companies get so obsessed with growing fast that they even forget the most important thing, making money. That's exactly why some companies struggle after their IPOs launch, leaving many investors disappointed. Another red flag is poor cash flow management. A company might look profitable on paper, but what if there is no real cash in the bank? Another major red flag is negative free cash flow. If a company is constantly spending more than it's earning, that's a financial mess waiting to explode. And then there is salary delays and vendors not getting paid on time. If employees are not getting their paychecks and suppliers are chasing payments, it's a huge sign that the company is running out of cash. If the fundamentals are weak, your money is at risk. Now tell me honestly, have you ever invested in a stock that turned out to be a disaster? Share your experience in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow investors.